So let us solve a question under conversion of galvanometer to an ammeter. So let's read the question. The question is a galvanometer of resistance 50 ohms. So quickly, let me draw the circuit diagram so that will not waste our time. So this is circuit diagram. All right, so we have RG here, we have IG here, we have IS here, we have RS here. All right, so this is the circuit diagram. So the first thing to do is we are going to read the question, then fix in all the parameters where they belong. So let's go. A galvanometer of resistance 50 ohms. That means the resistance of the galvanometer is what? 50 ohms. So we put it there. RG equals 50 ohms. That is the resistance of the galvanometer. Now, gives a full scale deflection when a current of 50 milliampere flows through it. So, when a current of 50 milliampere flows through it, so it means the current flowing through the galvanometer is what? 50 milliampere. Of course, the standard unit of current is what? Ampere. But since we are giving as what? Milliampere. What you need to do is change milliampere to ampere. And how do you change milliampere to ampere? You multiply it by 10 raised to power minus 3. Or you divide it by what? 10 raised to divided by 1,000. All right. So we check what this one is. So let's continue. Flows through it. How will you convert it to an ammeter? How will you convert this galvanometer to an ammeter capable of measuring 2 ampere? So the current in the circuit is what? 2 ampere. So how are you going to convert this galvanometer to an ammeter? That means you should find the what? The shunt. So of course we are looking for the shunt. All right. So without wasting time, let's calculate the shunt. From our previous video, we said the shunt is given as what? IG RG divided by I minus IG. So then you substitute all the parameters there. IG is 50. That is 50 times 10 raised to power minus 3. 50 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3. RG is 50, right? That is 50. Then divided by I. I is what? 2 minus IG. IG is 50 times 10 raised to power minus 3. All right, so if you punch your calculator, 50 times 10 raised to power minus 3 is what? 0.05. I'll multiply it by 50. Divided by 2 minus 50 times 10 raised to power minus 3 is what? 0.05. So we have RS is equals to, so let's do that together, fast. So you have 0.05 multiplied by 50. You get 2.5. So here is 2.5 divided by, all right, 2 minus 0.05. That is 1.95. So 2.5 divided by 9.9, 1.28 ohms. So the shunt that we're going to use to convert this galvanometer to an ammeter, the shunt is what? 1.28 ohms. As you can see, that's how you solve problems involving conversion of galvanometer to an ammeter. So what you just need is shunt, and the shunt has a very low resistance value. So to convert this galvanometer to an ammeter capable of reading 2 amperes, I need a what? A shunt of what? 1.28 ohms. Thank you. My name is Tekoko. Bye.